What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error KB5029244. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this error. The first thing you should do is type in troubleshoot into your search bar until you get this troubleshoot settings pop up. Then click into additional troubleshooters, and in here click into Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. It literally says resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. So this is probably your first bet that you should do. That's the most straightforward and easiest one to fix your errors. If this doesn't work, go back into your search bar and type in services, and once you do this, type in Windows, or just write window or W, until you see something called Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Right click into them. If you can press the restart button, do so. If not, go to properties, and if it's stopped, press start. If it's started, press stop and then start again, and then change from manual to automatic. You're going to do that for basically both of them. So for Update Medic Service as well, same thing. As you can see, start and then from manual to automatic, and then basically apply and press OK. Once you do this, restart your computer. You should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and more tutorials out. Peace.